Well, welcome back to BRS here for Friday, November the 19th, and it's going to be a real short little video, but the paint turned out phenomenally well, and red just really nice, and gold turned out exceptionally closer to the real color than the can looked like, but all ready and pristinely painted finally. And let's take one last look inside here at the motor. Man, I tell you what, she just is probably, I think, still about maybe 50, 60 hours, could be more. That is the original switch opening. Now, it was missing the original little plastic switch, and it's got a push button, so I went ahead and stenciled in on off. It's just it's not a flip button switch, it's a push button. But that's all going to look good. Took time to round the corners on the plate the gentleman made before. And like I say, it's not the factory switch, and that's not going to concern me at all. But very good shape. And now to start reassembly, and the next video will be, hopefully we'll have some bits in there. You know, again, I'm waiting on, I was going to first look at the collets for the ER16s, but they had too much taper, and so M2, I put my Delta bit in there, and it's clamped down good, so got those MT collets coming, twos, and I think that's going to work fine to step down. Bears Rod Shop, y'all have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and Thanksgiving coming up, and spend time with family and friends. And this is the old DAREx M1 discontinued model, fixing to get back in assembly and put to work. Bears Rod Shop, we're out of here. Please share, hit that down below, hit that notification bell, and please subscribe if you like our content. We're out of here.